Mic test. It was good, was good. So it's Austin. We're back again with another video. So today I'll just like as usual straight to the point, short and sweet. We'll just be reviewing this EU trade. It's all the same concepts, like all the trades I've been posting, like it's all the same concepts. Like there's nothing hidden or special that is done privately that like maybe I'm hiding or something from YouTube. Like this full strategy, everything is there. So EU's trade is basically the same. Let me just clear this chart. Going into this day, first of all, on the 4 hour time frame, I already got an alert for this because we have a confirmed CRT here. This high, this low, price takes out this low. So I already got this alert here. So I'm looking at this candle here to see what we can trade. If you notice, this is the 50% of this candle here. If you notice, if you go to the daily also, this is the 50% of this daily candle, and we also have a confirmed daily CRT here. We have this high, we have this low, we have price taking out this low, and price coming to the 50% of this week. So yeah, so basically on the 1 hour I marked out the Asian range basically because we had this quickly 7 a.m. 6 7 we have 7 a.m. high, 7 a.m. low. So initially my thought process going into this was because we have taken this high and at least price should come to take this low. But seeing this, we got a confirmed CRT here, but seeing this, we have this fair value gap here in which we are reacting from. So my thought process was if we close below this fair value gap, then it's okay to like trade to this low. But if we don't close below the fair value gap, like this also is like based on intuition, because if you had followed just the strategy after price taking out this high, you will look for some sort of structure here in which it's possible. Let's review it. Let's go to the 15 minutes because it's possible to also get something from this small move. Like if you can see, we have the 15 minutes confirmation here. Price to Kaisha high. We have 15 minutes um range here. You can mark out this candle. You don't need to wait for the 1 hour to close now. You go to the 3 minutes time frame. Look for some sort of breakdown. Already you can see this here. After this price broke down, close below this fair value gap, we can take a sell from this candle here, stop loss above the swing high, but there's nothing really above here to reference if price wants to retrace back. Right? So you can put your stop loss here, and yeah, like so you can trade this as a short-term scalp. Like either ways, they are not wrong as long as you made something from the market and you managed it um appropriately. So yeah, so looking at this on the 1 hour, I was anticipating um a CRT here on the 1 hour in which price will close above this high, then the next candle will open and go up, but we didn't get that. Already price was at the point where price was below this high. I got my 15 minutes confirmation, but after the 1 hour I go to the 15 minutes. Let me just take this off. I got my 15-minute confirmation. If you can see, this candle slow is below, went below this candle, went below this candle, but did not close above. So from here already, I'm already looking for an entry from this 15 minutes candle. So you go down to the 3 minutes. So my entry basically was from here. Stop loss just below here. There's nothing really to reference down here. Price took out this low. So that was my stop loss. I think let me confirm. I think I had 2 entries. Okay, this is the 15-minute time frame. Let me go to the 3 minute time frame. Entry is always from the 3 minute time frame, but I had to post the 15 minutes so that it will like capture the whole chart of that day. So entry was from here. Second entry was around here, basically. So this was the final target. Previous day's high was the final target. That is this high over here, in which we surpassed like so. So that was my targets, and yeah. So along the line, partials were taken also as key areas, basically these highs and eventually this high. So yeah, I still have like partials running. I have 0.5 lots still open on this just to see how far, like if you want to keep going. We also have CPI tomorrow, so we still have partials open for this trade, but just I mean for the sake of something being open. And that extra profits. So yeah, that is basically it on this same process, same strategy. Like everything is always the same. Blending CRT and ICT together. Looking for CRTs at key levels, fair value gaps, above highs, above Asian highs, below Asian lows, like above previous days highs, below previous, like that sorts. So that's just basically it. You can study gold. So I can recall the video I posted yesterday. I was on a sell on gold from here, but yeah, price took majority of the partials here. Price came back. The remaining was stopped at break even, like all good. Then we also had this. Like looking at this, I was not, to be honest, I was not interested in gold, but I witnessed. I got my alerts basically because I have a script in which once a CRT is found on the particular time frame you set it, because I set it on 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly. So this is the hourly CRT. So I got the alert, but I was not interested in this just based on my I was looking at EU basically. I was already on EU, so I was good with that. So but yeah, but this is something you can study also. You can study this basically. I didn't really see any reason because like price, if probably price was above this high, I would have, like, it's something to consider. But looking at this, so yeah, we also have examples on GU. You can study today like GU. We also had divergence with GU at the point that E was trading to this fair value gap. GU was taking out the low here. So you can look into here before the CRT was formed. What do we have here? Do we have a confirmation of 15 minutes? We have another CRT formation here. This low taking out this low. So you can look for your entry from here. Or if we have a 15 minutes CRT here, you can look for your entry from that same candle. So it's basically the same, like rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. I think I got some alerts on this price taking out this low. Like it's always the same. This should be 7 a.m. low. This is Asian low. So at this point, because this is a type of like CRT, like at this point you can see, you can zoom in here and see what is happening on the 15 minutes time frame here. Look at this from the 15-minute time frame. So if you are getting your entries from here already, so this is a valid entry for that block form. Price still right there. You can wait for this reaction. Anyone that you're basically comfortable with, take your entry from here. Definitely stop loss below here because we have this fair value gap here. So there's a possibility that price can trade there. So you don't want to just put your stop loss here, and unless you want to open two positions in which like there is something to do. You can open two positions. You can put one stop loss just below the swing low, and you can put another here basically. So yeah, like so far the high for today is like 2.7 hour. So I mean, at this point you can be a break even. You can wait for CPI tomorrow to see if CPI will keep pushing price up to this, to probably take out these highs here and trade it to this fair value gap. So yeah, I mean, GJ, EJ, like you can backtest all, to be honest. Like same thing here. I Same thing here. Look at the move. GJ performed better than UJ basically. EJ, same thing. Look at the move. Price taking out this low, this low. So you can zoom in here to see what is inside there. Look at the move. But GJ looks cleaner because GJ is taking out the lows, the Asian lows. So you can enter with this sort of confidence that yes, liquidity has been taken, and like we can take out this high, and Asian highs. Like, so yeah, something to backtest and look at. So if you know that open CJ, let me see what that was CJ. CJ. This does not look clean to me, to be honest, because uh, so it's not something I would want to trade. Well, yeah. So yeah, that is it for today. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, like. You can comment on what you want to see. If you want a separate video, because most videos I post, I do like trade reviews. If you want a separate video on like the full strategy, you can like drop your comment on. Yeah, it's something I can do. So yeah, that is just it. So yeah, stay tuned for next video and for the next video, and good luck tomorrow because we have CPI. So like, yeah, if you had a good day today, I mean, you don't need to force tomorrow. You can watch. Basically tomorrow I'll just watch. I'll watch out for London. If I don't get anything in London session, basically anything from New York session, I won't be forcing it unless we have a 10 a.m. trade. Unless we have a 10 a.m. like London close trade. So yeah, that is it from me today. So stay safe.